Apache offers a line of skid-steer quick couplers and adapters that meet pressure requirements for today's skid loaders. Skid loaders, or skid steers, are used in many applications to eliminate the heavy manual labor of digging, trenching, and moving dirt around the job site and farm. The market for skid loaders are comprised of agricultural use, equipment rental businesses, the construction industry, and landscaping use. The conventional buckets that come with many skid loaders can be changed out to a variety of specialized buckets or attachments, such as backhoes, pallet forks, augers, mowers, or snow blades. Many of these are powered by the loader's hydraulic system. Skid steer accessories are used on skid loaders manufactured by various companies such as Caterpillar, Bobcat, Case New Holland, Gale, Volvo, John Deere, Kubota, as well as others. Apache skid steer adapters allow connections to products from these manufacturers. The hydraulic connections used on the equipment are flush-face quick couplers to prevent spillage of hydraulic fluids. The flush sealed face is easy to clean, keeping damaging foreign materials out of your hydraulic system. There are several different types of size of connections which require adapters to make them fit a broad range of equipment. When a skid steer attachment is connected to the skid loader, the hydraulic lines and electronics need to be connected to enable operation of the attachment using the operation controls. This type of equipment is used in a variety of industries, such as construction, utility, and agriculture. On occasion, these connectors can wear out or break. Hoses can also become damaged or wear out due to use and weather exposure. Typically, skid steer connectors are purchased when a replacement is needed. In a lot of cases, this would be considered an emergency repair since the components are critical to the use of the skid steer attachments. When equipment is down, work stops, and as we all know, time is money on the job site or on the farm. This means having a selection of skid steer quick couplers and adapters in stock is extremely beneficial. Apache skid steer connectors are superior to the competition because we offer 1/2 inch body flat face couplers and 1/2 inch body male plug, both with female pipe threads that fit the various manufacturers' equipment. Rather than buy multiple expensive flat face quick couplers with different thread, Apache has developed a better solution, saving inventory dollars by providing 4 adapters that convert the basic IPT thread couplers to the most popular thread configurations used by skid steer manufacturers. Apache skid steer adapters and couplers are sold individually rather than in sets, so the customer can mix and match the pieces they need. This allows retailers to carry fewer SKUs and doesn't force the customer to buy components they don't need. For more information, please contact us at www.apache-inc.com.